You will receive a request to review a manuscript in your email. Clicking the link will redirect you to our submission system. Clicking Current Projects Reviewing will take you to your reviewer dashboard. Your reviewer dashboard will show you the review quality ranking, how many reviews you have completed over the lifetime of being a reviewer, and they will show you how many you have been assigned, how many you've completed, and how many you completed on time. This section will show you your reviews in the past 12 months, how many you've been assigned, completed, and completed on time. Here you can select the link to go to the document you have been requested to review. This will show you the manuscript title, the journal it was submitted to, the abstract, and the keywords. You may select this link to download the document to read and review. Here you may rank the manuscript on the popularity of subject, appropriateness for the journal, and so on a scale of 1 to 10. You may select the overall evaluation, recommendations for review, and your editorial decision here. You may supply comments to the author and editor in this section. If you type up a document with these reviews, you may upload it here. And this is how you submit a review.